Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can select your favorite character to train. How to train your characters in Dragon Ball Legends. So I made this video is for beginners that are still new into this game, how you can challenge the event, how you can completing missions and get ton of reward from it. So let's get started by tapping the menu and tap this one, train. And as you can see, there are some training a condition or item. So for the best is plane. Tap the detail. If you use this plane, you have 5 times training time. For example, I want to choose this one, room with 10 gravity 10 machine full. Training result, gain experience, and with 25 minutes training time. Let's tap begin training, and you have to select your character to train. For example, I want to train the sparking player, this one, Son Goku, and just tap begin training and tap yes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.